kitchen chaos, baking disaster. Lily. Barnaby, today we are going to bake the best cake ever. Barnaby. But do we have all the magical ingredients for success? Lily finally finds the flour sack, ready to begin the mixing process. The instructions said to gently fold, but Lily mixed with all her might. Barnaby tried to help crack an egg, resulting in a messy cascade. Suddenly, a cloud of white covered everything within a 5-foot radius. They looked at the mess they made, but the laughter soon followed. Even the sugar seemed to want to join the celebration on the floor. Trying to salvage the batter, they use a spatula to scrape the sticky mess into a small pan. The oven light illuminates their hopeful faces as the cake bakes. Ding! The moment of truth has arrived after what felt like forever. They decorated their creation with mismatched sprinkles and too much frosting. Lily, it's perfect because we made it together,